Thank you for inviting me to your home, and I'm so curious to learn more about the paintings you have done here in that wonderful room. Can you explain a bit about that?
Yes, this is Mithila painting. We can also call it Madhubani painting because it is very popular internationally and it belongs to Bihar. And we have Mithila painting, we have always a story behind our paintings. Like if we start from this, Radha Krishna. So our beloved God, Radha Krishna, and we worship them daily, every time, every moment. So this is a painting of Radha Krishna. And then we have trees and birds, peacock. Peacock is our national bird also.